guys, I am back and it is time to unbox our August 2021 Stitch Fix. And I am in a new room. We are slowly converting a different room in our house to be my new studio. So we're still working some things out with like lighting and decor and whatnot, but thank you for hanging in there. Now let's go ahead and dive on into this box. If you're not aware, Stitch Fix is a monthly clothing subscription box where you fill out a little style quiz about what you like and your sizes and whatnot. You get paired with a stylist who picks 5 items for you every month based off of your preferences and measurements and whatnot. You can request specific items or like themes or whatnot. I haven't done anything for this box. I don't really have anything coming up at the moment, but they have been doing this preview thing where your stylist will offer you, I think it's like up to 10 items, and you can choose all 5 items for your box based on that preview, or you can just pick a couple and be like, I like these, come up with some different options to fulfill the rest of the box. So I have a real problem where I end up liking everything that my stylist picks for the preview, and then not surprised. I will be a little surprised because it's been a minute since I've looked at the preview, so I don't quite remember what's in this box, but let's go ahead and go through this together. So here is the envelope. It has your invoice, and it also has the card from your stylist talking about why they picked what they picked. I don't like to look at the invoice until the end because I don't like the price of items to influence how I feel about them. So let's go ahead and look at this card. Okay, so yeah, I did not remember at all what I picked. Let's see what my stylist has to say, and I think I have a new stylist. Goodness gracious, I do not remember this. Hey Amanda, happy Fix Day and welcome to Fix number 24. I hope that this is finding you happy and healthy in Texas. I'm so happy to see that you're so excited to see these 5 items. Now, let's have some fun and start trying on some clothes like the Judy Blue Skinny Distressed Jeans paired with the Sanctuary Black Tank, and add some strappy sandals for a casual look. How do the jeans fit you? Another option to try could be the 9 Britain midi dress and add some wedges for a fun summer occasion look. Do you like the length of the dress? How about the style and pattern? The black denim shorts will look great with the lush cami blouse from Fix number 22. Please always feel free to let me know which items are working well for you and how I can improve to better help you in your future. I can't wait to hear from you, your friend Brittany. Okay, I know I've been through a couple stylists lately. Brittany seems new to me. I don't know. Either way, let's go ahead and look at this bundle. Oh, what I didn't mention is if you don't like any of the items or have, second thoughts, or maybe you want to size up or down, they do send you a prepaid mailer to send anything you don't like back, and you can send all 5 items back. So normally it costs you $20 a box, and that is just your styling fee. And if you keep anything, that $20 is reimbursed towards the cost of whatever you keep. However, I am on Style Pass where I just pay $50 a year and I get as many boxes essentially as I want with like up to a limit. I don't know what that limit is. So normally you can sign up for like, most people do monthly boxes, some people do quarterly boxes. It's really flexible. Technically Mike just does boxes whenever he wants, even though he hasn't done one since that first one, but hypothetically that is the plan Mike is on. But yeah. So anyways, let's look at this bundle. This is what it looks like today, and let's see what it looks like. Okay, so here is a floral print top. If you can't tell, or if you watch my videos, you're aware I am a sucker for floral print. So yeah, this is very cute. I'm excited to try this on and see what it looks like. Oh look, another floral print. So this is a dress, and this is a dress that is a little bit outside my comfort zone, just because of the style of it, but I wanted to try something new, get a little bit out there. Something I do appreciate about Stitch Fix, especially like maybe not so much now, that they're picking everything for your preview, but before they did the preview thing, your stylist would send you some things, or like I would never, like if I were out at TJ Maxx or Ross or whatever, there would be never a chance in hell I would pick some of these items, but that's how I got turned on to like jumpsuits, and I now love jumpsuits. So anyway, I kind of had to do that for myself with this dress. This is the midi dress, and it is a little bit form-fitting, and we'll see what my curves do with that. Here is a really cute casual top that I thought would be just perfect. It's like just perfect. Look at that. Look at how cute and perfect and casual that is. It's just classic and I love it. I'm hoping it'll fit well. Here's a pair of jeans, and I know, so if y'all aren't aware, we are in North Texas, and it's definitely not pant season quite yet, but I saw these pants and I was like, I need to try them. So they are light wash, they are high-waisted, they are distressed, and we're gonna see if I like them or not. And then lastly, we have a pair of shorts. Now, I did just get a pair of black shorts. I don't honestly remember why I picked these in my preview, but here we are. They are a little bit different. They are distressed. I might have just really liked the bottom, to be honest. I don't know, but we'll go ahead and try these on. Okay, so this is the first outfit that I've paired together. So this is the black casual summer top paired with the black shorts. So first of all, I know this is not ideal for just like summer in general, but you know, maybe when it starts cooling off to where it's only 90 every day, this would be a cute outfit. You know, if you know, Texans, right? When we're not like 95 to 100 plus every day. But either way, I actually love this outfit. This isn't something I think I would normally pair together. This was just like the first two things I grabbed out of the box to try on. So I was a little concerned I might almost be like borderline too busty up here. There is maybe just like a little button distress right here, but otherwise I think it fits perfectly, and this is also super comfy. Now the shorts, I thought were gonna be a little too short, but they're like perfect, and they give me like Daisy Dukes of Hazzard vibes. Very flattering. I did not think I would keep these, but now I'm wondering, should I keep these? I don't know. Let me know, guys. This has potential to be a 5 for 5 depending on how the others try on. Anyways, let's look at our next outfit. Okay, so I paired the floral print top with the jeans that came in the box. Let's first talk about this top and break it down a little bit. So obviously I love it because it's floral print. However, I am comparing this top to that kind of royal blue floral print top I got maybe in last month's box, or maybe it was the month before. So that top made me feel like some kind of wonderful, like it was just super flattering. The color just really brought like a exuberance to my skin, for lack of a better word. I don't know what to call it. Either way, I just think it was a much more flattering top than this. So I'm kind of on the fence about this top. Mike has some concerns that it might be sheer, but I don't know. I don't really see that. But anyways, I'll pan down to the bottoms here in a minute. So here are the pants. So I do have it on my profile that I have short legs, but with that being said, I had to cuff these pretty bad. They were doing the like, you remember when skinny jeans were like real big back in like early 2010, late, like from 2007 onwards, and then like for a while everyone had like super wrinkly cuffs around their legs because they were like too long or they didn't fit well, or we were still growing and we had a hard time figuring things out because we were, you know, in high school. Well, anyways, so I had to cuff these, and I'm a little disappointed that like I wasn't given a short version of these pants. I need to go see if I could exchange them for a short version of these pants. But otherwise, the length is the only place where we are having some sort of fitting issue. This distressing, I'm a little concerned, might be a little too distressed. I don't know how I feel about it. These aren't my favorite. They do fit pretty well from the waist, and they have a decent amount of stretch to them. So they're comfy. I just don't know how I feel about them now that I've tried them on. I don't know. Anyway, we're gonna go try on the dress now. Okay, last but not least, here is the dress. So I like the dress, I'm just not in love with it. It is doing a lot more for my curves than I thought it would do. I thought this would be very unflattering, but it highlights my booty in a very flattering way. I thought it would highlight my belly just a little too much. I am sucking in right now. I'll stop sucking in here in a minute and you can see. So honestly, maybe like a good first trimester maternity dress. JK, maybe not, I don't know. Not pregnant, in case you're wondering. But anyways, I'm not super in love with the neckline. I feel like there could be something a little bit better about that. But I'm not disappointed that I tried this dress, because this dress was definitely out of my comfort zone, just because I thought it would be accentuating this entirely too much. And honestly, I ain't mad about this dress. Yeah, and it's super soft and cottony, so this would be great for a summer themed shindig, like my stylist said. Anyways, let's go look at the invoice. Okay, let's look at this invoice and what the damage could potentially be. So the shorts were $40, pretty cheap for Stitch Fix shorts. The floral print top was $36, and that is the cheapest item out of this box. The jeans were $56, on the cheaper end of Stitch Fix jeans. The dress that I'm currently wearing is $54, and the black top is $48, which I'm a little surprised about, but you know, whatever. So if I were to keep all 5 items, the subtotal is $234. If you do keep all 5 though, you do get a 25% discount. So after the discount, it is $175.50. So I don't have any credit because someone used my link, but every year when your Style Pass renews, they give you that $50 credit. So I didn't realize this for my last box, but I actually did have that $50 credit. So the items I did keep, I did just kind of like knock down that credit. So I do currently have $16.52 in credit. So if I were to keep all 5 items, the grand total would be $158.98. So let's talk about what I'm likely to keep versus what I'm likely to send back. I really liked the black top. I really liked the black shorts. However, I don't really need the black top. I don't really need the shorts, even though they were very cute. It's a really hard decision, as it always is, because Stitch Fix is just one of those boxes that like is there to just spend all your money on. You know what I mean? So what I do sometimes is I do have a Poshmark shop, and I'm full aware that like to get the best value of your Stitch Fix is to keep all 5 of your items, because you'll get the max discount on them, even though sometimes that doesn't make sense because you only like 3 or 4 of your items. So what I sometimes do is I do a 5 for 5, and then I sell some of those items on my Poshmark shop. And I pass the discount along to you guys. I do mark them up a little bit just because shipping, but so be it. So anyways, comment below if you like any of these items in this box. I do put up all the pictures of everything. That way, if you do like items in this box, you can pass that information along to your stylist and be like, hey, I liked what was this dress called? The Vivian knit midi dress. And you can be like, can you please send me that? And sometimes, depending on what their inventory is, they can send you along the same item. Maybe it won't be in the same print, or maybe it'll be in a different, I don't know, style or whatnot, but it is something that has been requested of me. Anyways, if you are likely to check out my Poshmark shop and you're thinking about maybe taking some of the items I might not take, give me a heads up down in the comments below and it'll influence my decision. I'm probably not going to return this for like a week or so I can kind of mull over the decision-making process. But again, if you're like, Amanda, keep everything and then put the stuff you don't want up in your Poshmark shop, let me know and I'll do it. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you've made it this far, please consider doing the things that support my YouTube channel, such as liking or subscribing, sharing, commenting, etc. If you are interested in trying Stitch Fix for yourself, I will leave my referral link in the description box below, and it'll just give us both $25 off, which isn't bad for your first box. And then, yeah, stay safe, stay cool out there, guys.